Today is all about concentration. So here are our objectives today. You'll notice that they all involve concentration of solution. So what is the concentration of a solution? Well, hopefully you've done the reading and you kind of have a grasp on it, but it's just the concentration of a solution is roughly equivalent to the amount of solute in a solution. Okay? Now, there are a couple ways of representing concentration, okay? And we're going to use two in chemistry, okay? The first one we're going to learn is molarity, okay? And molarity is probably the more important of the two, although we'll use the other one more this chapter. The other one is molality. And molality is the important one for this chapter, but we're only really going to use it this chapter. So pay special attention to molarity, but the molality is nonetheless important. Sometimes when we get to further chapters, you might see something like this. Calcium ion. You might see like a calcium ion with brackets around it. And that's just another way of saying concentration. All right, so just keep all these things in mind as we go forward. So really, this is just problem solving. So we'll just jump right into problems. Now this is asking for molarity. Now molarity, okay, and this is a little confusing, is capital M, and this is moles of solute per liter solution. Okay, moles of solute per liter solution. So I have 2 liters of solution, okay, and I have 14.6 grams of NaCl. So there are kind of lots of ways that we can do this, all right? One of the things that I can keep in mind is this is 2 liters of solution, so this is the whole thing. Okay, we don't care that what the solvent is in this case, we just care that it's solution. Okay, there are really 2 different ways that I can do this, and I'm going to show you both of them. Okay, the first one is, okay, so I have my liters of solution. I need to calculate my moles of solute. So question mark moles, NaCl, equals 14.6 grams NaCl. And you should be able to do this in your sleep by now. 58.45 grams NaCl and 1 mole NaCl. Okay, and when I do the calculation, I get 0.2497 moles NaCl. Okay. Now I can take that and I can plug that into the equation. Moles NaCl per liter solution. I found my moles. I can put my liters in, so 0.2497 moles NaCl. And this is 2.00 liters solution. Okay, and so I'm going to calculate that. One thing that it's important to notice when I'm calculating this is that I'm going to use this entire number. I'm not going to round here, right? You get 0.125 moles NaCl per liter, or just capital M molar. Okay? All right, so the other way that we can do this is I can start with what I'm given. Okay? So I'm given 14.6 grams of NaCl, and I want molarity per liter solution. Okay? Now, 2.00 liters of solution. So these are both my givens. Now I only need to take this and make it look like the units for molarity, which is moles NaCl per liter solution. So all I have to do is do my conversion right here, and I've set it up all in one step. Okay, both of these are good ways of solving these. You'll probably see me use both